Hi, my name is Renuka. I am from Machalipatnam. I had done my BTech in DMS SPH College of Engineering in the stream of Mechanical Engineering from the University of J&T UK, Andhra Pradesh. After that, I joined in Evision. Evision Technoserve is an IT recruitment and consulting company. In Evision, I had joined online full-day job internship under guidance of IT managers and administrator. In Evision, I have learned about networking, virtualization, CCNA, routing and switching, cybersecurity, Windows administration, and troubleshooting. In Windows administration, I have learned about how to install Windows OS and a server, and how to create user account, and how to create administrator account. In CCNA, I learned about fundamentals of protocols and routing and switching. It gave me so much experience with Evision. Thank you.